Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button before diving in. Uh, Now, have you ever wondered what happens when a classic courtroom drama gets a modern twist? Imagine taking a story that captivated audiences in 1997 and transforming it into a fresh, gripping TV series. Um, the USA Network is bringing John Grisham's The Rainmaker to your screens on August 15th, promising a new spin on legal thrillers. This adaptation has been in the works since June 2024, setting the stage for a nighttime premiere at 10 p.m. Eastern, with episodes streaming on Peacock a week later. Picture Rudy Baylor, a newly graduated lawyer, stepping into the courtroom for his first big case. He's up against the experienced Leo Drummond, played with Flair by John Slattery. Rudy's also tangled in a web of personal and professional conflicts, all while uncovering dangerous conspiracies connected to a child's tragic death. The story isn't just about legal battles, it's about gritty personal struggles and moral dilemmas. Rudy teams up with his boss, played by Lana Parrilla, and her quirky assistant. Together, they dig into two intertwined plots, revealing secrets that threaten to topple their client's world. The show boasts a talented cast, including Madison Eisman and PJ Byrne, adding depth to this intricate legal saga. Produced by Blumhouse Television, renowned for thrillers, the series promises suspense and engaging storytelling, with Michael Seitzman steering the ship. As showrunner, legal dramas have been dormant in recent years, overshadowed by flashier genres. However, The Rainmaker aims to breathe new life into the genre, blending courtroom tension with personal drama. Remember, the original film was a modest success, but now's the chance for this type of story to shine again. If you want to stay in the loop about your favorite TV shows, subscribe to my weekly network TV newsletter. You'll get exclusive updates straight from the cast and crew, and perhaps a few courtroom jokes too. Speaking of jokes, why did the lawyer sleep with a ladder? Because he heard the case was going up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,